It's the all-important MSCI Rejig. Today we at ED Now have been telling you all throughout November about how to play and how to look at these particular stocks. So today is the day when actually the passive flows will come in. At the end of trading today is when effectively the changes will be done in the MSCI indices. Now when you're looking at the stocks and when you're looking at the companies, the number one thing you need to keep in mind is the fact that MSCI announced changes to the global standard indices on November 11th. Now remember, before that they had said that they would be considering the changes done to the FOL on the NSDL as well as the CDSL websites by both of the organizations, and they would be considering the higher FOL or the foreign ownership limit. Now on the back of that, given the fact that India earlier had a weightage of 8.2%, expectations have risen to India's weightage in the MSCI index going up to 8.65%. Whole host of brokerages came out with different numbers in terms of the passive flows that they expected to come into India. Morgan Stanley pegged it at around $2.5 billion. Some brokerages pegged it even higher, close to $4.5 billion as well. Now, here are the list of stocks that are being added into the MSCI index. The main stock in focus would be Kotak Mahindra Bank, mainly on back of the fact of the higher FOL limit coming into place. Now, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ACC, Adani Green, Apollo Hospital, Balkrishna Industries, Ipca Labs, Larsen and toubro, Infotech, you're talking about MRF, Muthoot Finance, PI Industries, Trent and Yes Bank. All of these are the additions, while a few surprise deletions were there as well, Bosch as well as LIC Housing Finance. Now the other thing to keep in mind is the amount of flows that would be coming in. Again, now what we have in is a Citi report that details the flows that are expected to flow into these equities today. Kotak Mahindra Bank, it's a new addition, fresh addition, also coming in with a good amount of weightage. So Citi estimates almost $737 million of flows to come into Kotak today. Adani Green 270 million, Bajaj Finance 243 million, a weight increase there. PI Industries, again it's an addition, 145 million. Apollo Hospitals, 145 million, of Asian Paints 138 million, and NTPC again $134 million of flows expected to come into this. Now on the other hand, some outflows as well. Reliance Industries $234 million worth of shares expected to be sold today. LIC Housing and Bosch, both of them are exits, 73 million and 56 million respectively. Now this is a very significant development for Indian equities. We've been highlighting this throughout. MSCI taking into account the FOL limit increase done by NSDL and CDSL, leading to a huge surge as far as FDI and FII flows are concerned. One short implementation for MSCI versus a 4-quarter spread out implementation by the FTSE. All of these stocks have outperformed the broader markets.